Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made, computer software trading probability-based, trading alert, tactical analysis, and company philosophy. And as you know, I'm your most trusted source. Cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates here on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency sphere. As that's right, old Vincenzo has brought back truth and integrity. As you can see in the intro that we had there, MicroStrategy, one of the biggest holders in Bitcoin, has about $3 billion right now, where he's acquired most of it at an average price. As you can see, I'm bringing the MicroStrategy article back up. MicroStrategy margin call at $20,000, just over $20,000, right around $21,000. MicroStrategies could have a margin call. As we pull another article up here onto the right, onto the right if you're looking at your screen, and it says MicroStrategies buys over 120,000 worth of over 120,000 Bitcoin at an average cost of $30,900 ish. And as you can see, if you are reading that article, and that's why we have that in our breaking news update as we emphasize what we're talking about, is MicroStrategies, old Vincenzo's been telegraphing we're in a big bear market, right? And if the bear market plays out like I think it's gonna, you can see after this mountain double top that we had, right? Look at that. This is a very bearish pattern formation as we pull our industry exclusive perching tool, and we're gonna perch from the second mountain. You have mountain one on the blow off top, right? And it telegraphed that with the rising wedge topping reversal pattern, right? Then we had the dump. We had about a 50% dump, and we bottomed out at about $28,000, right? And then we have the second pump, which is where, yes, it did breach the old high, but it didn't ever close anything above it. It sold off immediately, and that's a classic in the monthly time frame of a mountain one bottom where you could have like a sun rising or descending in there, and mountain two, and that's a classic mountain double top, and that's a topping reversal pattern, and that's one of the most bullish, bearish topping reversal patterns you can get, right? And then if you look at what we got going on now, you have the second crash of 50% off of a high, right? Crash one, and you have this bearish continuation pattern, which looks similar to this bearish continuation pattern. But if you notice, this continuation pattern here was sloping to the downside, which in a falling channel, if I had the lines on there, sloping to the downside is a bearish continuation pattern, but a bullish reversal pattern at the bottom of it, right? And it did. This time, off the second collapse, you're having another bearish continuation pattern, and it's bullish during it, but it's a bearish reversal pattern at the top, and these generally break down in a probability base, and a targeted move on a complete full lateral flush, right, from the top to the bottom, is all the way down here conveniently at what we've been talking about at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing on that red horizontal line at $21,176.69. You see that? We're going to zoom in a little bit closer. You can see we have the other green arrow that's there showing you the targeted move on a full lateral pattern breakdown, and it's trying to confirm a breakdown of that now. And you can see this is exactly where we've been emphasizing, and that happens to be a MicroStrategy major flush zone. So that's something we're going to watch as the summer goes on. I've been advertising 2022 as the year of the liquidation in crypto, the year crypto almost died, when you hear that phrase, old Vincenzo here brought that term into it, because I seen a big massive collapse coming, and I still think that's what's going to go on. And you can see MicroStrategies would have a massive liquidity problem, as they bought most of their stock on margin via selling and borrowing off their own company on the stock market, right? So that would be catastrophic for MicroStrategies if Bitcoin does what I think it's going to do and does a full lateral flush this year, and we're down sub 20,000, right around 20,000. MicroStrategies would be a big player that got bit in the hype train with his laser eye beams, and he would lose his company as a result of that. XRP, the chart looks horrible, right? And a full lateral flush on this symmetrical triangle that we've been in, we've changed our background, so we got to make this a brighter color. We'll make this kind of a yellowish orange. No, it doesn't stand out enough. That, yeah, red does. Red becomes a key player in this chart, the way it looks now. And then, I deleted my bottom line. Well, that sucks. I deleted my bottom line. I currently cannot redraw, but it's that symmetrical triangle. You know what? I got to get it back on there, or else nobody's going to know what I'm talking about. You're going to be like, Vincenzo, what the fuck are you talking about? That symmetrical triangle that was right here. See that? That broke down, or it's trying to break down out of it. And if you can confirm and get past this local double bottom right here, this is where, with our industry exclusive bullseye tool here, right? You can see this is the area that we're holding support on, just below this blue arrow that's right here, and this is where we currently bounce. Over here, if we breach this and come down, your next underneath support is 47 cents, and your full lateral breakdown of that 12-month symmetrical triangle is down at 19 cents. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. We'll continue to give you another update a little bit later on as the market closes, and we see what we're looking at into a thinly traded weekend after the futures close. Peace and love. Peace and love.